What's up, everyone? It's me, Raylan. I'm sorry if I haven't posted in a while. I'm outside. It's raining. We're going to have a thunderstorm tonight. Ugh, my dog runs in and out. Are you sure you want out? Wow, they walked away. Well, it's starting to rain again. The thunderstorms will last till Saturday. Like that. Comment down below if you guys like thunderstorms, because I do. But the bad part about it is the fire. Soon is coming up my birthday. Soon. August 30th is my birthday. Really windy out here. I really want out, but I don't want to get wet that much. But yeah. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel and my TikTok and Alinah Lapierre channel and her YouTube and her TikTok. She made a new video today. Check that down in this thingy. I forgot what it's called. Yeah. Okay, guys, I'm going to get out there for a little bit. I will show you guys in 1 minute. Okay, guys, I'm out of the porch. It stopped raining for a little while. It's just highly raining. But yeah. I like thunderstorms. I would show you the clouds, but this is the clouds. Screen got red. Those are the clouds up there too. So that means my dad doesn't have to do watering tomorrow. That's good for him. Dad, if you're watching this, that's good for you. Because he just had back surgery. So it stopped raining, kind of. Just a little bit windy. If it starts raining really hard again and lightning and thunder, I will do another YouTube video about it so you guys can know what's happening. But yeah, are you guys ready for school? Because I'm not. My nephews are coming to school on my school now, not on my school. Yay. Started to be windy again. Okay, that bird up there, I don't think you can see it, but it's annoying, like really annoying, because all his feathers are coming down in my yard. It's really annoying. Well, hope you guys like this video. Bye.